I would send probably the coolest looking steamer I have ever seen. And by coolest, I just mean it's so pretty and like modern looking. This is so nice. I love how small it is, very lightweight and handheld. So I am going to be showing you I'm going to be steaming my sink with like this little piece here. But before I do that, I just wanted to show you everything it comes with. I think I saw it like there's like 11 different attachments here. So I clearly have it because I want to use it handheld. But if you have never used a steamer in your shower, you are truly missing out. You can use some of the smaller pieces. I even like to use like the little mop steamer in my shower, also really great on tile flooring. So I can actually attach this piece. So these ones all just like pop out really nice and easy. You just push this and this comes out. And then I could also add, so this is now the pole, so it's going to give me some length. So of course that I'm not like down like this. So you've got that pole, and then you even have, this is like the mop one. This is, as I said, really great for tile. And it comes with like 2 different pads. These ones are reusable, washable, which is really nice. And then of course, so many different attachments. This one's really great like on windows, and again, in my bathroom on like the glass. This is really good. And then you have different types of bristles. These ones here, be careful. That's like the metal one. This one's like hardcore scrubbing there. And then of course you just have like super hard bristles. This is really great. So you can do some scrubbing. You can do just like some gentle steaming depending on what you are looking to do. And then of course it comes with like a little canister to fill up the water, which gets filled up right here. So you're just going to go ahead and put your water inside there. This does need to be plugged in. Obviously heats up super, super fast. And then really simple to use. You just have your power button here. You're going to hold on. You have 3 different levels and then just a long press to turn off. And yeah, like it goes up to like 120 degrees Celsius. So super hot. Be careful if you've never used a steamer. You do not want to put your hands at the bottom of there. Just be careful, you know, of any animals or anything around. But yeah, so this is just really great when you are cleaning. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn this on. So like, look at this right away. It just starts to go. You have that steam. So I'm going to go up a couple to the highest level here. It does take a second to get to the 3rd level, but I can actually feel it. I don't know if you can see. Well, it's kind of hard to show you, but it's like bubbling inside the canister. Like, look at that intense steam. So awesome. So I'm going to turn it off because it is loud. So I've turned it off. It just takes a second for it to like cool down. I know that it's off because it's not bubbling inside here, because it's kind of neat when you turn it on and you go up the different levels. There is a little light here, but I have so many lights here, it's hard to tell, but you can just feel the intensity with the bubbles going inside here. So really nice, because as I said, you could literally use the brush and start scrubbing if you have something hardcore, but I also just like to take the steamer and go around because it just kind of helps to loosen up any dirt, and then it makes it so much easier just to wipe away. So you don't even need to actually scrub depending on what it is. Thankfully, my bathroom's not super disgusting, so I don't need to scrub. But yeah, if you're looking for a steamer, absolutely love the color. It also comes in a different shade of green as well. So many different attachments, super portable. I am a huge fan for sure.